naman. Hindi na mag-mute. Ba't ikaw lang mag-isa?
My own brand new home with a fully stocked kitchen, stainless steel appliances, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and most importantly, my very own walk-in pantry. I never thought I'd be able to afford this, but somehow it's mine. All mine. Woohoo! Uh-oh, I better get inside before. Maybe the rain will put it out.
At least naluto. Yung chicken yan. Chicken.
This used to be a I bet. So maybe if I there. Right, but it's home. Yes.
Ba't ganito?
You know, that was the first
Hindi
step.
para sa
The next one will be even better.
first time ko palang magano.
Done.
Crossbow, try ko for the first time.
Now to construct the second floor bedroom.
May in-stores, kaboom, kasi may axe. Oh, ba't di ka pa
These puppy legs can only get me so far. They're too small.
ba't di nag-working
I
sila?
have a solution.
Ito lang. Ano ka nakakaspab? Ako hindi. At saka hindi kita mahitog-dihit kita. Ganito lang yung dinis. Bakit di kita nahihit? Kita talaga. Sama ko. Ganyan mo! Mangin ka na. Ito ang daddy pa. Ang po siya.
Easier with longer legs.
Matagal tayo dito na matagal tayo dito na namatay. Ready?
Don't live here, but I can show you where to get some, Mr.
Hungry about the name? Say, you're a pretty beautiful lady.
Oh, well, I appreciate a man with an appetite. Say, would you consider those foods candy?
There's a pig on the mud.
I sure do.
Uy. Matagal pa. Matagal na ako.
Make your own if you want
Hindi
one.
mo pa man ako nadadamage.
Going to build.
Yung manaw na ihit.
You get me.
Yan.
Soon we'll be able to finish each other's.
Hindi pala.
Ba't
ayaw mo ba hita? Oh! Oh! Nihinihit kita! Ayaw. Sino? Huwag mo sabihin. Huwag mo sabihin. Para wala lang. Itin ko lang kami. Ba't? Oh! Ayaw mag-hit!
Under the foundation, there's no
Ano nakaka-spam na konti?
house.
If only we had
Nagpa-punch ka ba? Oh! Ayaw! Wait! Huwag ka maggalaw. Bakit ayaw mag-hit pa rin? What this chicken? Gumaganda lang sa akin pag nag-headshot. Sa akin din. Ba't di magalaw?
I want to name her Porky Piglet. That was my mother's name, you know.
That's a beautiful name, dear. A beautiful name, a beautiful name. Let's see if
Bakit
you
di
can
ka
give us
na namamatay na ako.
walk under here and grab the shiny metal thing standing.
Ay!
Ah, girl.
yata yung first match.
Where'd you go?
Let's eat some golden enchanted, golden apples. Let's go. Let's go. Uy! Uy! Hoy! Saan ka pupunta? Uy! Ginano ko.
Breakfast and lunch.
Kabala po si Piggy. Ay, kumakain ng pig everyday. Kapon. Uy! Wait. Baka na. Ba't kasi ganun yun ano? Oh, wait! Okay na. Namatay na ako. Eat. Luhend ka na pala ko, hindi pa. Nag-eat yun ano ko eh. Di ba talaga ako nag-eat? Eat. Eat.
Something's wrong.
Go.
Go to take it to the crater.
Lang go.
Fix this.
Naka-more damage ka sa akin. Kasi zero damage ka. Ito yung mga 30 damage. Hello! Under there. Ito, helmet. Ayun yung target. Low na yung mga ano ko, armor. Mas, ano pa sa akin. Regenerate ka ng pula pa. Sige. No? Uy! Nag-regenerate ka ng full health ako, hindi. Yung corso ko, hindi pala. Fair. Nag-regenerate ka ng full health ako, hindi. Nag-regenerate ako ng second, nag-half. This is unfair. Need to be the king. Ay, king, sakit. Nagtala crystal PvP. Para ma-win ka na. Crystal, Di ba na ako crystal. try? Di din ako mag-try ako. Si first girl ba?
Can't get out. I'm too big.
Naminis mo. Ready na ako. Crystal.
You came to save me. Oh, I'm so glad you're okay, baby. Now we're stuck.
Wait, maze. Madami ko ten para makatry. Wait. Tayo. Ilang winter? Hindi ko na kailangan. Wait lang. Di pa ko tapos. Okay na.